Running quickly through these your turn problems. Sine of 144 degrees. In our unit circle, 144 is there, which means that our acute angle is going to be 36. That means this is going to be equal to sine of 36 degrees. That's a 6. And because we are in the sine quadrant, this is going to be positive. Cos of 210 degrees is down here. So the acute angle to the x-axis is this angle here. From 180 to 210 is 30 degrees. So this is related to cos of 30 degrees. Because we are in the tan quadrant, cosine is going to be negative. Minus 170 is coming around here, which means that this angle here is going to be 10 degrees. So sine of minus 170 is related to sine of 10 degrees. And because we are in the tan quadrant, sine is going to be negative. Cos of 400. 400 is all the way around to 360 and then back up a little bit. It's all the way around and up. What is the acute angle to the x-axis? This is going to be 40 degrees because we did 360 and then an extra 40 to get up to 400. That means we are related here to cos of 40. And because we are in the all quadrant, it's going to be positive. Tan of 230. 230 is going to be down here, past 180. The acute angle is going to be 50 degrees to get from 180 to 230. So tan of 230 is related to tan of 50. And because we are in the tan quadrant, this is going to be positive. Tan of minus 525. So we go around to minus 360, minus 450, minus 540. So we're going to be somewhere down here where we have gone all the way around once and a bit more. The acute angle to the x-axis then, from 525 to 540 is 15 degrees. So tan of minus 525 is related to tan of 15 degrees. Because we are in the tan quadrant, this is positive. Moving into radians now, sine of 7 pi by 8. 7 pi by 8 is a little bit less than pi, or 8 pi by 8. It's going to be there. How much more do we need to get from 7 pi by 8 to a full pi? We need an extra pi by 8. So this is going to be related to sine of pi by 8. And then we are in the sine quadrant, so this is positive. Cos of 9 pi by 5. Where is 9 pi by 5 going to be? Well, 9 pi by 5 is going to be almost all the way around, because 10 pi by 5 would be 2 pi. So it's going to be somewhere over here. And how much have we got to get there? Well, we need to get to 10 pi by 5, would be all the way to the 2 pi, would be 10 pi by 5. So that means we need an extra pi by 5. So our acute angle is pi by 5. Cos of 9 pi by 5 then is related to cos of pi by 5. We are in the cosine quadrant, so this is positive. 43 pi by 15. We probably want to think of 43 pi by 15 as 2 lots of 15 pi would be 30 pi, and then nearly another whole one, but not quite. So that's going to be all the way around, would be 30 pi by 15. And then an extra 13 pi by 15. So 13 pi by 15 is not quite a full pi. So it's going to be up here. So it's going to go all the way around, and then an extra 13 pi by 15. What is left over to get to pi from 13 pi by 15 to 15 pi by 15? That is 2 pi by 15. So this is related to sine of 2 pi by 15. And we are in the sine quadrant, so it is positive. Minus 7 pi by 6, we're going backwards. Minus a full pi, which would be 6 pi by 6, would be to here. So it's going to be a little bit further than that. We've got minus 7 pi by 6, which leaves us with this acute angle here. 6 pi by 6 got us to the pi, so we need an extra pi by 6 to get to 7 pi by 6. So this is related to cosine of pi by 6. And we are in the sine quadrant, so cosine is going to be negative. 7 pi by 3 would be 3 pi by 3, 6 pi by 3, and then coming up a bit further. So it's going to go all the way around and then up to there. Where that acute angle was, well, we got to 6 pi by 3 and we needed an extra pi by 3. So that is pi by 3, which means this is related to tan of pi by 3. We are in the all quadrant, so tan is going to be positive. And finally, we have got 19 pi by 4. That's going to be 4 pi by 4, 8 pi by 4, 12 pi by 4, 16 pi by 4, and then that would be 20 pi by 4. So 19 pi by 4 is going to be here. And so that's going round and round, all the way around a few times. What is the acute angle? It is pi by 4 to get from 19 pi by 4 to 20 pi by 4, which means this is related to tan of pi by 4. We are in the sine quadrant, so tan is going to be negative.